Hello student, welcome all of you in today's lecture. Today we are going to discuss one example related to direction cosine of two line. Now see what is example. This is lecture for BSc FY and semester second. Paper is geometry, paper number 4. So what is the example? See here, the direction cosine L M N of two lines are connected by the relations L plus M plus N is equal to 0. We called it as equation number 1. And 2L M plus 2L N plus minus Mn equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Then find them. That means any two line in the space, any two lines, and their direction of cosines are L, M, N. That means suppose direction cosine of first line is L1, M1, N1, and direction cosine of second line are L2, M2, N2. Then both L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2 satisfy to these two equations simultaneously. So it is clear that we have to make this equation in simultaneous form, and then we have to find the value of M and N. And therefore, student, there are three variables but two equations. So in such case situation, how we can solve the simultaneous equation? We studied in some problems, but today we use that method, which is elimination of any one variable from equation first and 2. Now we try to eliminate. Try to eliminating n variable from first and 2. We try to eliminate n this variable from 1 and 2. So equation first is L plus M plus N is equal to 0. This is equation number first. And second equation I can write 2LM plus 2L minus M into N equal to 0. Called this is equation number 2. So here coefficient of n is 1 and here coefficient of n is 2l minus m. Therefore, we have to multiply equation number 1 by 2l minus m. So multiplying this equation 1 by 2l minus m, we get so we get 2l minus m into l plus 2l minus m into m plus n into 2l minus m equal to 0. So multiplying to each term of the equation first by 2l minus m, we get this equation. We called it is equation number 3, suppose, because it is new equation. And second equation add it is 2lm plus 2l minus m into n is equal to 0. Now here the coefficient of this n is 2l minus m, coefficient of this n is 2l minus m. So subtracting this equation, we get this minus. So this plus and this minus get cancelled, and the terms are 2l minus m into l plus 2l minus m into m minus 2lm is equal to 0. This is new equation. This is minus 2lm. So solving this equation, we get 2l square minus 2ml minus 2lm, plus 2ml minus m square minus 2lm equal to 0. So cancelling this 2ml and minus 2lm, we get 2l square minus 2lm minus m square equal to 0. So here multiplication, some mistake is there in multiplication. After multiplying this l, we get 2l square minus ml. Here is minus ml. There is no minus ml, isn't it? One second. Here 2l into l, so means 2l square minus ml. After that plus 2lm minus m square minus 2lm equal to 0, and this 2lm get cancelled, and we get the new equation, that is 2l square minus ml minus m square equal to 0. We get this equation. See here, this is our star new equation. Now again you show that, again you can see here there are two variables l and m. So we try to make this equation in single variable form, and that is, I can write it is 2l by m square minus l by m minus 1 equal to 0. That means dividing throughout equation by m square. Dividing throughout equation by m square and m square. So we get this equation 2 times l by m square minus l by m minus x. So this is nothing but this is the form of 2x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. That means this is a quadratic equation in one variable, that is x, and that x is nothing but l by m. So what are the factor of this equation? So this equation can be written as 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1 equal to 0. And after solving this 2x taking common, x minus 1 plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Again taking x minus 1 common. So we get first factor is x minus 1 and second factor is 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. What is x? X is L by m is equal to 1 and L by m is equal to minus 1 by 2. So these are two values of the ratio for the L by m. So also we know that what is the relation between these? L1 plus m1 plus n1 is 0, isn't it? This is 0. So this equation can be written as, now we have to divide this equation by m1. We get this equation n1 by m1 is equal to 0. And what is L1 by m1 for the first time? L1 by m1 is take this value minus 1 by 2, taking L by m minus 1 by 2. So we get minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus n1 by m1 equal to 0. So n1 by m1 is minus 2. No, minus 1 by 2. Isn't it? So this is the value for 1 by m is equal to, this is value for 1 by m is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now for taking value, next taking L by m is equal to, one value is minus 1 by 2 and one value is 1. So taking 1, we get L1 by m1 plus 1 plus n1 by m1 equal to 0. And taking this value is 1, so we get 1 plus 1, 2 plus n1 by m1 equal to 0. So this gives n1 by m1 is equal to minus 2. So we get such type of ratios. Next, so thus we have, so I can write like this: L1 by 1 is equal to m1 by 1 is equal to n1 by minus 2, because we have n1 by m1 is minus 2. So this is a ratio, n1 by m1 is a minus 2. Taking here minus 1, we get here minus 2. So this can be written as in this way: L1 by 1 is equal to m1 by 1 is equal to n1 by minus 2, because these are in proportion. So this can we get L1 upon 1, m1 upon 1, n1 upon minus 2 can be written taking sum of square of LMN and sum of square of denominator, we get 1 by root 6. So this gives L1 equal to 1 by root 6, m1 equal to 1 by root 6, n1 equal to 1 by root 6. And for the next, L2 by 1 is equal to m2 by minus 2 is equal to m2 by 1 is equal to, this again 1 by root 6. So L1 is equal to 1 by root 6, m2 is equal to minus 2 by root 6, and n2 is equal to 1 by root 6. So these are the direction cosines of two lines satisfy that certain condition given in the problem. So I hope students, all of you understood this, what is the relation between direction cosine and how we can find direction cosines of lines when the relation between them is given. So today we stop it here. In the next lecture we will discuss on the projection on straight line, projection of a point on straight line, and some examples depend on that. Thank you.